So we've been having a major leak when it comes to the Volkswagen Polo. So we've decided to replace the oil separator. We bought one. So interestingly, the client has suggested that we do engine service, where we always, for minor service, we'll be replacing the air filter from that part. Then the 10,000 oil kilometers, then check the spark plug. We'll have to replace the spark plug with a set of 4. So remember, Amos Mobile Garage, wherever you are, for service, diagnostic, for suspension, will come wherever you are. So reach us today on our number that is below. Thank you.